goals truly guiding you towards your dreams? Are your goals truly guiding you towards your aspirations? Goals provide direction, they motivate us, and they even give us a sense of purpose. But the key here is setting these goals effectively. Poorly defined or unrealistically set goals will only lead to disappointment, frustration, procrastination, and you will make no progress. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth. I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. And today I'm here to explore with you 10 essential strategies that can actually transform your approach to goal setting. And they can help you create achievable, inspiring, and life changing goals that align with your values, that align with your desires, goals that you can truly, truly, truly achieve. So, are we ready? Here I go. Number one, always have a very, very clear understanding on the why. Why is it that you are setting your goal? Why is it that you want this particular thing in your life? Understand your core values, understand where this motivation is coming from, understand the deepest reasons behind this particular goal that you are setting, because understanding your why is like having fuel in your car. Till you don't have the fuel, you cannot drive. You cannot reach your destination if you don't have enough fuel. And this why is the fuel which will help you drive to your destination. Number two, going for the SMART method of goal setting. SMART is a very simple 5-step crisp technique. SMART, SMART. So it stands for being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound with your goals. Your goals have to be S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. This will help you not only get better clarity on your goal, it will also help you track and measure your goal, and you will be able to achieve your goals well in time. Number three, make sure that your goal is actually aligned with your vision and your mission. Till you're not aligned with your vision, you will not be able to go further on this goal. You will not be able to set the right goal for yourself. So make sure all your goals ladder up to your biggest picture, the ultimate picture, and then you will be able to achieve them and go after them. Number four, break down your goals into smaller tasks, smaller goals, because then these are more achievable and they keep you motivated. Every time you achieve one small goal, you're okay, heading, you're making progress, and then you can celebrate achieving this small little goal. So always break down your goals into smaller goals, actionable goals, which are really achievable. They are more manageable. Number five, create a plan. Create a plan for yourself. Have a detailed action plan as to how you want to go ahead with it. What is the roadmap? What are your milestones? What are your deadlines? What are your accountability measures? This should be in front of you every day of your life. It should be like a flowchart you've kept in front of you, and you go through it every day, because you will, again and again, it will keep reiterating as to the path you need to follow. And you will get more and more clarity as you go by. Number six, always set goals across different life domains, career, health, relationships, whatever, for a more holistic approach. What I mean to say is that you don't have two career goals you want to achieve. No. Have one career and one health, maybe one career and one relationship, maybe. So keep a balance. This is the two goal system. TWO, two, and GO for goals. It's a two goal system. Have two goals which go hand in hand, but they do not belong to the same sphere or the same domain. So you can't have two relationship goals you're trying to achieve. You can't have two health goals you're trying to achieve at the same time. Have one career, one health, one career, one relationship, or one health, one relationship, like that. Number seven, use the visualization technique. It works wonders for anything and everything in life. Visualize your achievement, visualize your success. It will keep you motivated, it will keep you on your highest positive frequency, and it will help you achieve those goals well in time. It will keep you going. You will leave fear and doubt behind. It will keep you going. Number 8, find accountability partners. Enlist a support of as many people as you have who can help you, help you be motivated all the time, help you be positive all the time, and who'll really tell you, go, 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 get it. You can do it. Find such accountability partners. Number 9, be flexible. When you're goal setting, be ready to make certain, accommodations, make certain adjustments periodically. Keep assessing your progress, keep celebrating your wins, but at the same time, keep adjusting your goals as and when needed based on the changing circumstances, because things change every day. Situations, circumstances, it can be, socio-economic circumstances, it can be political circumstances, it can be your personal circumstances. So be ready to be flexible to change these or adjust accordingly. Number 10, love yourself, be kind to yourself, always practice self compassion. You have to pat yourself, pat your back every time you achieve something, and you have to be your biggest support system. Remember this, you are your biggest support system. So be loving to yourself, be kind to yourself, and keep encouraging yourself. When you incorporate these strategies, you will be well equipped to set goals that are meaningful, that are achievable, that are aligned with your deepest aspirations, and goals that will keep you motivated, that will help you go towards your journey of success. Right? So, all the best on this. That's all for now. If you resonate with this episode, like, comment, share, give me your ideas on whatever topic you want me to speak on, pertaining to life enhancement. Until then, keep dreaming big, keep setting inspiring goals, keep taking consistent action towards the life you truly desire. Much gratitude and power to you all there. This is Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off till my next podcast. See you all tuned in the next time as well. All the best. Bye.